Saved recordings can be viewed in the media library by tapping My Page at the bottom right of the home screen. There is a vocalization setting button in the left corner of the live screen.
Hi, we'll be right there.
This is turned off by default, but you can change the voice to male or female. There is a sharpness setting button in the right corner of the live screen, and it is set to FHD by default. Tap the horizontal display button to change the vertical screen to horizontal to see it on a larger screen. You can freely zoom in and zoom out of the screen using 2 fingers, so you can enlarge the live screen to see more details when necessary. Tap the speaker button to hear outside sounds. Tap the screenshot button to capture and save the live screen. Tap the video record button to start recording, and tap it again to stop recording. Saved recordings can be viewed in the media library by tapping My Page at the bottom right of the home screen. Tap the microphone button at the bottom of the page to talk to the doorbell device in real time.
Oh, are you Justin's friend?
Yeah.
If you tap the down arrow button, you can see more functions. I will guide you in detail in the next video. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please press the like and subscribe buttons.